Okay, so we have to we have to set the slot when we want to, I think. Oh, but set slot two, place. Oh, you know what it was? It might not be ready for that. Okay, so we'll take this. It might want us to do the tilling and um, sapling planting, the tilling and planting first, and then come back to um, to do the fertilizer. That might be the part two. Okay, so let's just see, and like it might unlock after we're done. So let's go ahead and say function. So hopefully we can reset this. Let's reset. Okay, let's go back to the developer, try again, bring the agent back. So now C, play, move forward. Okay, I'm good with trying again. So what it did was it placed, planted, moved forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that is that. So now if I call the function 3 times, okay, so I'm going to take away the comment. Okay, this should move forward. Okay, so it should do it 3 times. Okay. I'm recording. Wait, whoops. I got to start over. Okay, so C, play. Wait, where's my guy? Oh, wait a minute. I guess I got it right. It happened so fast. It happened so fast. I'm now over here. Did it work? It didn't work because now I need the fertilizer. All right, let's see what happens. Reset. So that's going to reset me over here. So I did 3. I see. Okay. So now let's look at this board. So it worked. I planted 3 saplings. And then part 2, oh, so this is the same as before. Part 2 is add the fertilizer. So part 1 was plant saplings. Okay. Part 2 is modify the code so that you're going to plant saplings and fertilize. So we got a little bit ahead of ourselves here. Okay. And then what we have to do, and this is also, here's part 2, set the slot to 1. We didn't need that right away because we weren't switching. And then let me just tell you about that. Let me go ahead and paste that in here, make sure the slot is 1. So if you've worked with the agent before, the agent has 27 slots of inventory. So it's kind of like, you as the player, you have your hotbar with 9 items that you can keep handy in your pockets. You also have what I call a backpack, so you keep more things back there. You can keep more things in your backpack than you can keep in your hotbar or your pockets. So the agent kind of has a backpack built in. So the agent, similarly, you would remove the items from its big pockets or its backpack by choosing the slot. So in slot 1, there are trees, and in slot 2 is the fertilizer. And so that's what we need to do. Each time we call the function, when the function starts, because code is sequential, the first thing it needs to do is go back. Oh, let me go get the sapling out of my pocket or out of my backpack, right? And then, okay, planted the sapling. Let me go back in there and get the fertilizer and then plant that to the side also. Okay, so, all right, so that's what we changed. Place fertilizer to its left. Now, I don't know why there's so much. Oh, because I think we're placing a lot of fertilizer. We're placing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I want to do this with a loop. So let's see. I got to remember the looping. It's been a long time. I know it's for um, less than. So I is our variable. I'm just writing it down. Less than the number of times you want it to loop. So this would be fertilize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Less than 6. I think there's a colon there, and then we have to indent. The code. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that. Okay, so for I less than 6 colon, I think that's right. Okay, agent place left. All right, and then let's test that out. Oh, it's so wrong. It's so wrong. Get me a for loop. I don't know why I'm guessing. I have all that code there. There's no reason. Let's go to loops. And here we go. For. We're going to drag that over here. Oh, in range. Oh, my goodness. And passes the code. Okay, so for I in range 6. Okay, we're going to pass the code place left. And then, you know me, I need to make this all nice and neat. Agent place left. And then we'll do that here also for the function. So for J in range 3, because we want to repeat 3 times colon, function till, and then we will toss these other occurrences. Okay, so what you have to do here is you have to have 2 different variables for the loop. Otherwise, it gets confused. Okay, so crossing my fingers, I'm hitting play. Oh, wait, remember, here's the other thing. If you want to save this code, there's no way to save it once you pass the activity. So all I did was I clicked my mouse inside of the code. I have, what do I have going on? I did Control A. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open docs.new, which opens a new Google Docs, and I'm just going to copy and paste that code in there. So let's go back here. Let's hit play. Try go, go, go. Fertilize. Yes. Woo! No. Try again. What on earth? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Oh, am I supposed to stop there? That could be it. All right, I'll try again. What am I supposed to do? Try again. Okay. Yeah, I did that. The agent is doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, fine. I will change this code. Agent move forward. I will take this out of the loop. Should I do 2? For I in range 2, maybe it doesn't want me to go past the gold. I don't know. Function till, move forward, and then function till? I don't know. Call the function. Here. All right, let's see what happens. This is a mess. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at that tree. I did it. I did it. That's what it was. I went past the gold block. Oh my goodness. So we did it. We problem solved our way through this activity. We're going to go ahead on to activity 2. We'll see you in the next video.